Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today I'll be reviewing with you two books that have some fantastic principles for the property management industry. Now, this is my sixth book review, and if you're interested in our previous book reviews, I'll post those links in the video description. For all my book reviews, I will also include the links to the books if you're interested in purchasing these books after watching this video. Another thing to note for all my book reviews, I have not been asked by the publishing company, nor have I been asked by the author to perform this book review. All these books and all my book reviews have been personally purchased by myself. The property management industry can be very, very emotional at times, and I believe these books are great about balancing those emotions as well as providing some great principles that work well in the property management industry. The first book that I'll be reviewing with you today is Factfulness by Rosling. This book is really a great book about breaking down data and really gives a good perspective of how to review that data and how the data isn't always what it appears on the surface. Now, I am definitely one that leans into the data, and I'm not ever suggesting that data is not important, but I also do believe it's really important that you really know all the context of the data you're reviewing before making any action items from that data you're reviewing. This book really breaks into that data question and that data answer by reviewing 10 things that you are wrong about the world with. And this is a really, I think, important and big picture at a macro scale, great way to analyze the data and break it down by viewing it at such a mass scale. This book also provides a positive outlook that can really lift your spirits in times you feel maybe you need it. And I hope you're enjoying this video so far and learning something new. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos. And the second book that I'll be reviewing with you today is titled You're a Badass by Jen Sincero. Working in the property management industry, I know there will always be moments that all of us question decisions we make, positions we're in, and maybe even get down on ourselves at a time here and there. And this book is really great for those moments. There are so many good quotes in this book. I can't even list them all, but here are some of my favorites in this book. One is delegate or die. Another one is life is a dream, but don't turn it into a nightmare. One of the best things you can do is improve the world, is improve yourself. And those are just a few of many of the great quotes in this book. This book, I think, was fantastic in so many different directions, but one of my most favorite things about this book is how she left off each chapter. She gives almost a little pep talk, a one sentence or a couple words that really leaves the chapter off on a positive note. And I really enjoyed her transition from chapter to chapter this way. It was very different from a lot of books that I read, and I just thought it was really outstanding the way she had that transition. Again, I will provide all links in the video description if you are interested in purchasing these books. And if you've not already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. And if you found this information helpful in today's video and you learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos. If you haven't already done so, please connect with our LinkedIn and our Instagram page. And if you have any questions about this video or any of my videos, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to address it for you. Happy leasing.